Imagine a world where electric cars were laughed at, considered slow, boring, and impossible to scale. Now imagine one man saying, "I will change the world and make electric cars mainstream." That man was Elon Musk, and what he did with Tesla is nothing short of a revolution. But the journey wasn't smooth, it was full of failures. Near bankruptcy, betrayals, and risky decisions that almost killed Tesla before it even started. So, how did Tesla go from nearly shutting down to becoming the most valuable car company in the world? Let's dive into the untold story of how Elon Musk turned Tesla into a trillion-dollar empire. Before we begin, comment below. Would you buy a Tesla? Yes. Let's talk. Tesla wasn't actually founded by Elon Musk. In 2003, two engineers, Martin Eberhard and Mark Tarpenning, started Tesla with a dream of making electric cars cool. But there was a huge problem. At that time, electric cars were seen as slow, expensive, and impractical. Big car companies like Ford, Toyota, and GM laughed at the idea of Tesla succeeding. The company was running out of money before it even launched a car. And that's where Elon Musk entered the scene. In 2004, Elon Musk, who had just made millions from PayPal, invested their $6.5 million into Tesla, becoming the company's biggest shareholder. His make the fastest, most high-tech electric car in the world. But Tesla was still struggling! They needed a car that would prove everyone wrong. That car was the Tesla Roadster, the first high-performance electric sports car, 0 to 60 mph in just 3.7 seconds. But it cost over $100,000. It was fast, but too expensive for mass production. Investors lost confidence. Tesla was bleeding money. And in 2008, Tesla was just weeks away from bankruptcy. This could have been the end of Tesla. But then, Elon Musk made a decision that changed everything. In 2008, Tesla had no cash left. Employees were not getting paid. So Elon Musk did something crazy. He put all his money into Tesla, his personal $40 million fortune, to keep the company alive. He fired most of the Tesla team and took over as CEO himself. He shut down production to fix all the major problems with the Roadster. It was a make-or-break moment, and it worked. Tesla got a $4.65 million loan from the U.S. government to keep going. Tesla survivors knew that a $100,000 car wouldn't change the world. He needed to make a mass-market electric car. In 2012, Tesla introduced the Model S, the car that made Tesla famous. Fast, luxurious, and with a 300-mile battery range. The safest car ever crash-tested. Way ahead of any gas-powered car. Customers loved it. Investors loved it. Tesla's stock exploded, and suddenly, Tesla went from a tiny startup to a serious threat to companies like BMW, Ford, and Mercedes. But the real breakthrough was yet to come. Elon Musk had one final goal: make a truly affordable electric car. In 2010, Tesla launched the Model 3, a $30,000 electric car that brought Tesla to the masses! 400,000 pre-orders before it even launched. Massive production problems, but Tesla overcame them! By 2020, the Model 3 became the best-selling EV in the world. Now, Tesla wasn't just a car company, it was a technology empire. Self-driving technology, a Tesla Autopilot. Solar panels and energy storage, Tesla Energy. The Cybertruck, a futuristic electric truck. And in 2021, Tesla became the first car company to be worth over $1 trillion. Today, Tesla is more than just a car brand, it's a global movement. They're working on AI, self-driving taxis, and even a Tesla robot! They're building gigafactories worldwide to mass-produce batteries and cars. And Musk wants to take Tesla to Mars with SpaceX? Tesla went from being a joke in the auto industry to becoming the most valuable car company ever. But what's the real secret to their success? Innovation. Tesla is always ahead of its competitors. Bold risks. Elon Musk never plays it safe. Customer loyalty. People love the Tesla brand. Long-term thinking. Musk isn't focused on short-term profits, but on the future. Tesla teaches us 3 big lessons. 1. Never give up, even when everyone doubts you. 2. Take risks. The biggest rewards come from the biggest risks. 3. Think big. If you want to change the world, you need to dream bigger. If you've made it this far, comment Tesla below! Would you buy a Tesla? Tell us in the comments! Like and subscribe for more brand success stories. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Success isn't about where you start, it's about how far you're willing to go. And Tesla, it's just getting started.